Have you ever worried that you're falling short in your relationship? Or maybe held back from starting one because you doubt your ability to make it work? It's totally normal to feel that way. Life throws curveballs, and building a strong bond takes real work. The good news? Tuning into your own habits can help protect both your well being and your partnership. Today, let's dive into 5 everyday patterns that can quietly undermine even the best relationships. Recognizing them is your first move toward positive change. Number 1, fragility. No one is perfect. In a close relationship, your partner might point out something they'd like different or improved. That's part of healthy communication. But if your instant reaction is defensiveness, shutting down, snapping back harshly, or raising your voice, it signals you're not open to growth. Over time, this erodes trust, makes honest talks feel risky, and leads to emotional distance as people start avoiding tough subjects. A better way? Take a breath. Listen to understand their view and why it matters, then work together to find the fair solution that supports both of you. Number 2, possessiveness. A committed relationship doesn't mean losing your individuality. Healthy couples thrive when each person keeps some independence, but habits like constantly checking your partner's phone without permission, demanding to see all messages, limiting their friendships, or insisting they never spent time alone can feel controlling rather than caring. This mothers the freedom and spark that brought you together, hurts self-worth, and often stems from deeper fears like past betrayals or trust wounds. If it resonates, consider talking to a therapist to address those roots and build security in healthier ways. Number 3, insecurity. We all have insecurities, but when they take over, endless self-criticism, doubting your worth, or assuming you're not enough, it burdens your partner too. It might appear as jealousy outbursts, overanalyzing every interaction, or needing constant reassurance. While support is natural, relying on them to fix your doubts daily can exhaust them emotionally, creating an unbalanced dynamic that pushes people apart. The stronger approach is nurturing your own confidence internally through self-kindness, personal goals, therapy, or whatever grounds you, so the relationship stays balanced and uplifting for both. Number 4, manipulation. In serious cases involving safety, firm boundaries are essential. But for normal disagreements, using ultimatums like "do this or I'm leaving" or "cut off that friend or else" turns into manipulation. It corners your partner, builds resentment, damages their confidence, and breaks down respect. True bonds grow from choice and mutual understanding, not force. Replace demands with open talks, share your feelings calmly, explain what's important, and seek compromises that honor both sides. Number 5, stonewalling. It's okay to step away briefly after a conflict to cool off. Space prevents regrettable words. But extending it into prolonged silence, ignoring messages, avoiding eye contact, or refusing to discuss the issue avoids accountability and leaves your partner feeling dismissed and stuck. Over time, repeated stonewalling erodes affection until the connection fades. Instead, say something clear like, "I need a short time to think this through. Let's talk in an hour or tomorrow." Then return ready to listen, express yourself, and repair together. If any of these hit close to home, give yourself credit for noticing. It's a sign you're committed to growth. Nobody's perfect, and relationships offer incredible chances to learn, heal, and grow side by side. If this helped, like it, share with a friend, and stick around for more practical insights. Thanks for watching. Take care of your heart and the people who matter to you.